Take a tour of this beautiful 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home in Post Falls, Idaho. Located just minutes from downtown Coeur and the Spokane Airport, this stunning property is perfect for your next family gathering or getaway with friends. With sleeping arrangements for up to 15 guests, including a king-size bed, queen-size bed, and bunk beds galore, there's room for everyone. Enjoy the convenience of new LVP flooring throughout, a fully equipped laundry unit, shampoo and body wash, and two 55-inch smart TVs. Step outside onto the covered back porch, where you can relax beneath string lights and enjoy quality time with loved ones. Take advantage of the barbecue grill and cook up a storm, or explore the surrounding area on one of our 4 pedal bikes, 2 adult and 2 children's bikes. Just a short stroll away is Black Bay Park on the Spokane River, where you can swim, boat, fish, or simply enjoy a picnic. And for your peace of mind, security cameras are installed at the front drive, side gate, and front door as part of our insurance policy. Make this incredible home your home away from home. Book your stay today and experience the beauty of the Pacific Northwest like never before.